Are. Back to neutral. Aye neutral. Aye one. Are. Aye zaman. Aye zaman inti. Release abo tintina skaya. O bonor say get. O bonor say get. You shoot me legally. Yo. Are. Sharp. Go would you release about 2 weeks? Are release about Scabatima Golo indeed. Release that like you would. He get alone, Antina. He get alone. Well, what Nabili to at large? Aha, some about. As I have with the woods. Ah, level let's say, all the lady Pilu level let's say, and I Puka well some much.
Awan Antina van. Ngana sa release votes I get Lilentina. Poka wa root amon poka distract. But no way. This is the beauty of solid family. This is what is needed. When a brother is teaching a sister how to drive, and you listen to Poka and the friend also giving advice to Ntina. Ntina, don't rush it, Ntina. They said you must turn, Ntina. Why are you not turning? It's a beautiful, beautiful video because they are there, man, to support Ntina. Poka is there, man. Poka is there. He's making sure that he's playing his part. Man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Gebotle, ba family, hale tshwarana le bana ba motho, le khona go bontshana. It's a beautiful thing. Unfortunately, other sisters, they learn how to drive the hard way. Other sisters, they learn via boyfriends. Other sisters, they learn at driving schools. This is how it's supposed to be done. They have to teach you the basics at home. You have to understand gears. You have to understand pedals. You have to understand, how to control your vehicle, how to control the steering wheel, and how to deal with anxiety and pressure while you are still at home. So when you go to driving schools, when you pay for lessons, you don't start from scratch. Already you have the idea. Already you understand the pedals. Already you are doing something that you did it 1,000 times. So it's not going to be difficult to do it one more time. It's going to be like a performance instead of you, doing the rehearsal or maybe practicing how to drive. This is beautiful, man. And I like the supporters, man. I like, these two, at the back. They are there. And also the brother, he synced, with the two. And he is listening also to what they're saying so that they can know that their voice is also heard. And this is a beautiful thing, man.